Welcome to Whole and Healthy Cooking with Chef Val. Hi, I'm Chef Valerie Wilson. I've been teaching healthy, whole foods cooking classes since 1997. I'm the author of 5 cookbooks, and I teach cooking classes on a regular basis. You can find out about all the services I have to offer on my website, macroval.com. So 2 of my cookbooks, the topic of them is cooking for the season. I have a summer cookbook and a spring cookbook. And so these cookbooks are based on the 5 transformations of energy. So there's 5 different seasons, and there are certain foods that we eat at certain times of the year, and they feed and nurture different organs in your body. And so my intention is to eventually have 5 cookbooks featuring all 5 seasons. But the first one I did was cooking for the spring season, where the signature flavor is sour. So in this cookbook, I have lime chocolate squares, a lemon meringue pie, featuring that beautiful sour flavor. Also in this cookbook, I have my 2 lentil lemon thyme soup, one of my best soups, cream of asparagus soup. Asparagus is a springtime vegetable and one of my favorites. I also have stuffed portobello mushrooms, stuffed collard greens. And so cooking for the spring season, the signature whole grain is barley. And I go over the information in the cookbook about cooking for the different seasons, and it describes to you the spring energy. And the signature flavor for springtime is sour. And then I just came out with the summer cookbook. I love summer. I'm a summer person. And so this cookbook features recipes that are lighter in energy. They're more cooling to the body. So for instance, I have the 3-bean garlic salad, one of my best recipes. I have tofu kebabs. Now you could cook those outside on your barbecue, or you could cook them inside. So this is one of my best veggie burgers. Smoky tempeh brown rice veggie burger. One of my best, one of my favorite ones. So for cooking for summer, your signature whole grains are quinoa and corn, all featured in the cookbook. And your signature flavor is bitter. So these are the 2 cookbooks that are cooking for the season, spring and summer. If you get a chance, you can check out all of my cookbooks on my website, macroval.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's take that small step together.